Hi everyone, welcome to Geeta's Magic. Once again, I am came with a delicious recipe and I'm going to share with you. Yeah, you got it now. That I'm going to share gulab jamun. It's a viral recipe. It's made with the milk powder and it's normal milk powder, not the dairy whitener. Don't take dairy whitener. First, we will take the make the chashni. So for chashni, I had taken this 1 cup of a 120 gram sugar and 1.5 cup of water and make the chashni. It's not a strong chashni, it should be only sticky chashni, because after that when we put it for the rest it will be thickened. So chashni is ready. Now we will take the 120 gram of milk powder and a half cup, less than half cup, like 40 gram, 30 or 40 gram maida, and after that we will take half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoon of ghee, and mix it well. First we will make it crumbly by putting ghee, and slowly we will add the milk, and we will add slow milk because the dough should be tight, not should be loose. So I had taken the half cup milk, but only 1/4 cup milk is used, so it's a smooth and tight dough like this. After that we will grease our palm with the ghee and take small balls from that. See, it's like this. And guys, market sweets are very expensive, so we have to make very cheap at the home. So see, we will make like this. So it's very easy to make, and some was saying that milk powder gulab jamun are being very tight, but I will show you one trick. After that, the gulab jamun mine was the very best and very smooth, jalidar and soft. So after making smooth balls, I had put the pan on the gas and heat up the oil. The temperature should not be so high, because see, when we put in the oil the balls of gulab jamun, it should be set up in the bottom, and bubbles should be came slowly from that. On that level we have to fry the gulab jamun like this. And first we will see the uneven color, but as we will keep stirring and putting up down, it will be frequent like this, and this color is okay. Guys, we are going to make gulab jamun, not kala gulab jamun, so this golden brown color is okay. And this is the second batch. See how the color is getting up, but we have to stir continuously. We have to flip again and again to make them frequent color like this. You know what guys, making gulab jamun is also a very interesting, you have to always be curiosity that how it will be prepared and all that, always insecurity of this, because any of a method we can't make proper as we want sometimes. So all time we are scared that it should be perfect like this. And see, again I put it in the chashni was lukewarm, but here I want to say one thing, that don't put it only in the lukewarm chashni, but you have to put the one boil over here, because I first experienced if we are not making it the boil, then our gulab jamun are not being so soft as we want, because it's a milk powder gulab jamun, it's not a mawa gulab jamun. So we have to put one boil, and see, it's done. And now we have to take on the rest of a 1 hour. So after 1 hour we will see how it's looking. See, it's double of their size, and how yummy looking. Let we take one gulab jamun, and it easily break and so smooth, so jalidar. And guys, you too try it at your home. It's success recipe actually. Please guys, do like, share and subscribe my channel.
And please
it's my
like,
humble
share and
request.
subscribe
Thank
my
you for
channel.
watching.
Thank you for watching.